But for a little long, right now I'm just rushing through the intro because I gotta go to the Crystal Hotel for a cancer treatment seminar, and I'm wearing a one-shoulder red dress, a blazer.
Here's a cell. Inside your cell, you have these little things called mitochondria. Mitochondria take the sugars from the foods that you eat and they convert it into energy. But they require some things. They require all the nutrients that are in the food. And with all these processed foods we're eating, cookies, cake, ice cream, pasta, white sugar, white rice, white flour, all these things have been stripped of the nutrients that you need to run them through the energy cycles in the mitochondria. So here's your cell. Inside your cell, you have these little things called mitochondria, and they run sugar through the energy cycle to convert into energy. They require all the nutrients in the food.
I'd like to do a song for those of you who take LSD.